In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu on Weebly. This is a quick and effective way to improve your website's navigation and make it more user-friendly. Let's dive in and get started. First, we need to head over to Weebly's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Weebly URL or search for Weebly on your search engine, which will lead you to their site. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the page. You should see a prompt to log in at the top right corner. In order to access your website's customization options, you'll need to log in with your email and password. If you haven't already signed up, just follow the necessary steps to create an account and then proceed with logging in. After entering your credentials, don't forget to click on the login button to gain full access to your dashboard. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. The next step is to locate and click on the website link. This link will direct you to an area where you can manage and make changes to your site. Now that you're in the website management area, look for the edit site button and click on it. This will open up the Weebly editor where you can begin customizing your site's layout. Inside the editor, you'll see numerous options to modify your website, but for now focus on the Pages tab located in the navigation menu. Clicking this will reveal all the pages you have on your website. Here comes the interactive part. You'll need to click and drag the pages you want in your drop-down menu beneath the main page they should appear under. This dragging action creates a hierarchy, essential for the drop-down menu to function as intended. It's quite intuitive, just like organizing files on your computer, but don't stop there. To verify that your new structure will work as a drop-down menu, click on the plus icon next to the main page you edited. This will unfold the drop-down menu showing the nested pages below the main header, giving you a visual confirmation that everything is set up correctly. Lastly, make sure everything is functioning as it should by clicking on the drop-down option in the editor. Here you can preview how the menu moves and interacts, ensuring a smooth user experience for visitors to your site. With these steps, you'll have a functional drop-down menu on your Weebly site, making navigation a breeze for your readers. It wasn't so hard, was it? Keep experimenting with different layouts and designs to truly make your site your own. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy website building.